Hello everybody, how we doing? Happy holiday. Today we shall continue in our series of the sneaky chef. And since it's holiday, I know we have a bit of time in our hands, so we shall bake a favorite snack called chin chin. Do you like it? It's a special West African snack and tastes really crunchy. But today we shall make a twist to it to add our fruits and veggie, apple and carrot. Yes, we still continue today with our apple and carrot because they are bursting with nutrients to make us healthy. And there are a lot of things we can incorporate them into that will give us a healthy treat. So let's cut them into the blender and blend them to puree. Carrots and apples are both nutrient-rich ingredients that can enhance the nutritional profile of traditional snacks like chin chin, a popular fried West African snack. Incorporating these ingredients not only boosts the health benefits but also add unique flavor and texture. Now, let's go. Cut all the apples and the carrots into the blender and be ready to puree them. So we'll talk a bit on the health benefits of carrots in chin chin. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a provitamin to vitamin A. This is essential for good vision, immune function, and skin health. Adding carrots to chin chin dough can help increase the intake of this vital nutrient. Now let's look at the dietary fiber. Incorporating carrots adds dietary fiber to chin chin, which help in digestion and maintaining a healthy gut. Also, fiber can aid in weight management by making the snack more filling and reducing overall calorie intake. It can also help to curb craving because you feel full for longer. Now, that is our fruits and veggie blend into puree. Look at the color. Oh my God, you love this. Now, I'm going to add the other ingredients and mix them together. Now we add salt. Add salt to taste. After that, you add the sugar. You can use caster sugar, but I'm using my brown sugar. And that is cinnamon. I like the flavor of cinnamon. It adds some zest to it. So turn all together, mix together before we now add the flour. So back on the nutrient benefits of carrots. They also contain various antioxidants such as vitamin C and the beta-carotene that we mentioned which help protect the body against free radicals, the damage by free radicals. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall health. So now I will add in my eggs. I use about 4 eggs in this recipe. Mix all together. Continue to mix until everything blends in. Now, what do we gain when we add apples into our chin-chin? It's high in fiber. Apples are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aid digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels, including apples in chin-chin can contribute to a healthier digestive system and sustained energy release. So there you have the flour. I use self-raising flour, and since I have my veggies and fruit in it with their fibers, so I don't worry about that I'm using the white flour. I've already incorporated the nutrients, the fiber into it. So now is you turn them together, and at a point the spatula will not be able to help, so I will go to using my hand to kneading the dough. Now, apples are rich source of vitamin C that is important for immune system function, skin health, and wound healing. Also, the amount of sugar added to the dough is reduced because the apple have sweetness that it adds to it, so you want to add so much of a sweetening. The added fiber from carrots and apple can lower the overall glycemic index of this snack, chin-chin, making it healthier for those monitoring their sugar intake. Some people may be running away from chin-chin, the traditional chin-chin, because of the high glycemic index. But as we improve it, incorporate veggies and fruit into it with the high fibers, you see it's a good alternative that will help in lowering blood sugar level. So I now transfer a part to another plate, add more flour to increase the consistency, because it has to be thick, not running. So here I'm going to continue kneading it with my hand until a firmer consistency is achieved. And you know when you get it, at the right way, because how do you check it? You can check it with your palm. When it becomes non-sticky to your palm, then you know it's ready to go. Look at it. Yeah, it's non-sticky. So then I will bring it to my kneading board and I will spread it out with my rolling stick. So I'm adding that flour on the board so that it will avoid friction, make it non-sticky. And apart from the sugar level of it, even me sometimes when I see it in African shop, I admire it, but because it has no um, fiber in it, that is one thing that makes me to run away from it. And apart from that, um, after eating it, I found that I become try to start coughing, have some irritation on my throat. I don't know if because of the butter that is added, because when I make this one and I ate it, I didn't have those feeling at all. Now, so you can now cut it into shapes. So here I'm using the pizza cutter, which is really very handy to cut it. You cut it into little squares or rectangles as you want the shape, whatever shape you want it. So here I'm cutting them into small squares. And when you finish, you see the shape, the design is like a mat. When we're doing art and crafts in primary school, we weave a mat, and this is how it looks like. So when you are done with this stage, you can move on to the next stage of frying them. Some people like also to grill them so as to avoid the frying with oil. You can also do that, but today I am frying them. So pack them and move on to frying. By now I have put my oil on fire so that it can start heating up. Now we continue to fry. Look at the color. The carrot, the orange color of the carrot also improve their color. And usually when you bite on chinchi, it's usually hard and you almost break your teeth. Sometimes they are strong. You can't eat chinchi in hideout because the noise of crunching it. But what I have observed in this one, because of the addition of the fruit and veggie, it's only moderately strong. It's not as strong as those one that will be cracking with our teeth, and that's very nice. Now is the fun part. Yum. Oh, I join it there. And what I wanted to say also, when you bite on it, when you bite on chichi, the traditional one, you just see the inside of it white, which is the flour. But this one, you just see the golden color inside of the carrot. It's just so amazing. Try it and let me know how you get on with it. And thank you for watching. I am Juliet Oriri, your sneaky chef, improving your everyday meals one bite at a time.